Welcome to my channel, everyone. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into a car that may not always be in the spotlight, but it definitely deserves more recognition. The Plymouth Scamp, this compact yet stylish ride from the golden age of American cars, has its own charm. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why it's such a special piece of automotive history. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at the Plymouth Scamp. The Scamp made its debut in the early 1970s under the Plymouth brand, which was Chrysler's affordable but exciting division. Plymouth was known for creating vehicles that delivered both performance and value, and the Scamp was no exception. What made this car unique was that it wasn't a flashy muscle car like the Road Runner or the Barracuda. Instead, it was designed as a compact two-door hardtop, offering drivers a balance of economy, style, and practicality. At first glance, the Scamp might seem simple, but that's exactly what made it appealing. It was based on the Dodge Dart platform, which means it had reliable engineering and strong bones. The car came with a variety of engine options, from the dependable 6-cylinders to small V8s, which made it adaptable to different drivers' needs. If you wanted fuel efficiency, you had it. If you wanted a little more power under the hood, Plymouth gave you that option too. This flexibility helped the Scamp stand out in a crowded market of compact cars. Design-wise, the Scamp carried that classic 1970s vibe. Its clean lines, chrome touches, and balanced proportions gave it a timeless look. While it wasn't as aggressive as some muscle cars of its era, it had a quiet confidence, a car you could take to work during the week and still feel proud of when pulling up to a weekend hangout. The interior was practical but comfortable, with room for a small family or a couple of friends. Plymouth understood the importance of making a car that wasn't just about style, but also about usability. Now, when we talk about Plymouth, performance always enters the conversation. While the Scamp wasn't primarily built as a drag strip monster, it could still hold its own. With the available V8 engines, this compact car surprised many with its speed and handling. It was proof that you didn't need the biggest or loudest car to enjoy driving. The Scamp gave you a taste of performance while keeping costs low, which made it a favorite among younger drivers at the time. Today, the Plymouth Scamp has become somewhat of a hidden gem in the classic car world. Collectors love it for its simplicity and connection to Plymouth's golden era. It's affordable compared to some of the more famous models, making it a great entry point for anyone looking to start their classic car journey. So that's the Plymouth Scamp, a compact car with big character, blending practicality, reliability, and just the right amount of performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.